Swabe nga eh. Kala ko robotics na eh.
Grabe no. Ang galing niya, sir.
Wait lang ah. Hello?
Bro, bad news.
Ano?
If we don't find any additional evidence by the time umabot tayo sa fiscal, Jackie can get off scot-free.
Oh.
Sir, may update na.
Ha? Magkasama pa rin kayo? Wait lang, alalayan mo muna si Cha.
Si Matt po ba yan?
Cha. Si Jackie.
Ano sabi niya, sir? May sinabi ba siya?
Weak pa raw yung mga evidence. She might be able to walk free.
Kala ko may development na, sir. Kala ko matatapos na, sir. Teka.
Yes, that's what we thought. But right now, we'll do everything we can to get her, okay? Kahit kulang pa yung evidence, we'll try to find more, okay? Hindi tayo matatapos dito. We'll do everything we can to get more evidence and to catch her, okay? We will not let her walk free. All right? All of our eyes are on Jackie right now. Cha.
Wait, sir.
Cha, you okay? Cha, okay lang? Okay, Cha, relax. Can you breathe? Breathe in. Cha, relax, please.
Hello? JR? Hello?
Cha, relax. Cha, please, breathe in. I'm so sorry, Cha. I'm so sorry.
What's happening? May nangyari ba? JR, hello?
Tulong! Tulong!
JR! May nangyari ba?
Sorry.
JR! JR, hello? JR!
Relax.
JR! May nangyari ba?
Matt, I need your help.
Nasa si Cha.
Nasa loob siya.
Hi, Pa. Hi, Mi.
How are you? I'm good.
Thanks.
Salamat.
You go first.
Thanks for bringing her in and for informing me.
Yeah, well, thanks for telling me what to do. I meant to block ako sa panic.
Let's focus on Cha's recovery for now. Truce.
Truce.
Doc, kamusta po yung anak namin?
Don't worry. Her current state is a side effect of the medication administered to her. Nagkaroon po siya ng anxiety attack. Something stressful triggered her.
I'm stress-free. Okay si Cha.
May kinalaman ba to sa OCD niya?
Yes. Her OCD can lead to an anxiety attack. Her intrusive thoughts are difficult to control. At ito po ang reason kung bakit bigla na lang siyang inaatake ng anxiety niya. So better na umiwas muna sa stress ang anak ninyo.
Tahimik, may dumang anghel.
Tahimik talaga.
Ano tahimik?
Sige na anak, dahan-dahan lang anak. Dahan-dahan. Op.
Dahan-dahan.
Dahan-dahan anak, dahan-dahan. Huwag kang tatalon. Ay, naku, dapat pa yan. Dahan-dahan.
Careful.
Lakay, yung gate.
Ayaw nga pala.
Easy lang.
Ba't di na kayo? Sorry pinag-awayan niyo pa ako. Kasalanan ko to eh.
It's not your fault.
Ang ganda ko kasi.